Ooh.
Whoa.
I thought you were gonna wear the Minnesota Gophers.
No, I emailed you and said to bring your Badger gear.
Are you guys team Minnesota Gopher?
Or team Wisconsin Badgers.
But we should probably get to math.
Oh, yeah. We'll do that.
So we are on lesson 12.3, identify polygons. You guys are going to become polygon pros.
Ooh, Polygon Pros.
I like it.
Alrighty.
So turn to page 709 in your math book so that you can do this with us.
And follow along. Here we go. So identifying polygons. Again, another vocab word that we're going to need to know and identify. So a polygon is a closed plane shape. So we're going to stop there. It's closed.
I think I'm going to underline the word closed.
I like
so
that
we
idea.
Remember.
It's closed, meaning it has a start point and it ends at that same point. It's closed. The next part says that it's a plane shape. Plane shape is also a 2D shape, meaning that it is flat. Okay, so we got to think about those. And it's made up of line segments, endpoint, endpoint. Okay, line segments that only meet at their endpoints. Each line segment is a polygon. Each line segment in a polygon is a side. Okay, so it seems like a really big definition, but if we remember what those other vocab words are, it's pretty easy.
Right. So we have to decide what words are describing these shapes down here. So we're just going to go through each one. Is this a plane shape? Is it just any old plain regular shape?
Well, it looks flat.
Yeah. So yes, it is a plane shape. I would circle that. Next it asks, is this an open shape? Is it open? No.
No.
So I would not circle that. Is it closed? Absolutely. It starts here, it ends there. It is a closed shape. Now, does it have a curved path? Remember, curved means it has a curve in it. Yes, the whole shape is kind of curved.
Yeah.
So I would say definitely it has curved paths. Does it have any line segments, meaning that start point and that end point? Any straight line segments?
I don't see any, Ms.
I
Puzzle.
do not see any either. Is it a polygon? Let me go back up to my definition. It's closed.
Yep.
It is a plane shape,
Yep.
but it does not have line segments, so it cannot be a polygon.
It's not a polygon. Okay.
All right, you got the next one?
I got the next one. So, is this shape a plane shape? Yeah, it's flat. So, it's a plane shape. Is it open? Well, I think so because I start here and then I end at a different spot, meaning it's an open shape.
Yep.
If it's open, I already know it can't be closed.
No.
Does it have curved paths? It does. I see a curve kind of right here. I see a curve over here. So yeah, it has curved paths. Does it have line segments? I don't see any endpoints creating a straight line for a line segment.
No.
So it does not have line segments. Is it a polygon? Well, the first part of the definition says that it's a closed plane shape. This one's open, so it's not a polygon.
Nice job.
Thanks.
All right, let's move on to the next one. So this right here, is it a plane shape? It is a flat shape? Absolutely. Yes,
Yeah.
It is a plane shape. Is it open? Do you see any openings in that shape?
I don't.
Nope. Is it a closed shape?
Well, if it's not open,
It's
it's gotta be
closed.
closed.
So yes, it is a closed shape. Does it have any curved paths?
Everything looks pretty straight to me,
Yeah.
Miss Pelzel.
It does to me as well. I don't see any curves on that shape.
Nope.
Does it have line segments? Does it have a start point and an end point? Well, I see a line segment here, 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 here. So yes, it does have line segments. So now I need to decide, is this a polygon? Well, let's see. It's closed.
Check.
It is a plain shape.
Check.
And it has line segments.
Check.
So yes, this shape right here is a polygon.
We got our first polygon.
Woo woo.
Oh yeah. Okay. Here's our last one. Is it a plain shape?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's flat. Is it open? I don't think so. I don't see
No
any
openings.
openings. So then I know automatically it's closed.
Mm-hmm.
Does it have curved paths? Well, I see two curved paths. I see one up here
Yep.
and one right there. So it has curved paths. And does it have line segments? It does. I see a line segment here and here, here and here. Okay. So, Miss Puzzle, why wouldn't this be a polygon?
Well, because it says a polygon is made of only line segments.
Ah, only. So it means a polygon has no curved lines?
No curved lines. So this right here, from here to here, is not a line segment. That's a curved path. Because it has that, it cannot be a polygon.
No.
Nope.
Man, so the polygons have strict rules.
They do.
Okay. Let's see what else we've got.
Let's keep going. All right. On page 710 in your books, you're going to learn about the different types of polygons. There are several different types, and you can give them names based on some things about them. So let's take the first one. This one I know you guys have all seen before. It's a triangle. It tells me a triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles.
Okay. And
Pretty
it's
easy.
a plain shape.
It's a plain shape.
It's closed.
Yeah.
And it's made up of only line segments.
Yep.
So it is a polygon. Okay. So the next one is called a quadrilateral. Say it with me. Quadrilateral. Kind of a big word.
Mm-hmm.
So a quadrilateral is a shape that has 4 sides. With 4 sides, it also has 4 angles. So a quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles.
So are you telling me that a square is a quadrilateral and a rectangle?
I'm telling you that.
Wow. I always
Well-
thought they were just called squares and rectangles.
No, they all kind of fit under one category. As long as it has 4 sides and 4 angles, it's considered a quadrilateral.
Cool. I learned something new.
Yeah.
All right, on to the next one. This is a pentagon. A pentagon says it has, I don't know how many sides, and 5 angles. So let's count one of these pentagons to see how many sides it has. So I'm going to trace over. Let's do this one. This one looks cool.
This one looks really cool.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
So a pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. Wait, are you noticing a pattern?
Yeah, I just was looking at that, Miss Pelzo. I noticed that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles, and that a quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles, and now a pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles.
That's pretty cool.
So the sides always must match up to the angles.
Yeah,
Should we keep seeing?
let's keep going.
Okay. The next one is called a hexagon. A hexagon, I'm not sure how many sides, but I think I can make a pretty good guess. But I know for sure it has 6 angles. Let's count the sides.
Let's do it. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Count with us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides.
So a hexagon has 6 sides and 6 angles.
Cool.
The next one is called
Ooh.
an octagon.
An octagon makes me think of the
Octopus. Wait, I know something about octopuses.
What?
They have 8
Tentacles. Oh my goodness. And right now it says that an octagon has 8 sides. I'm going to take a guess.
What do you think?
I think it's gonna have 8 angles.
Should we count just to make sure Mrs. Poppy's right?
Probably.
Probably should. Let's go to this one right here.
Ooh, that one looks cool.
So remember, my angles are my endpoints. So I'm going to circle all my endpoints to find my angles. So I see an endpoint here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
8. So you are right. 8 sides, 8 angles, or an octagon.
Wow. Ooh. And the last one, a decagon. Wow. What is that, Miss Pelzel?
That's kind of a cool one. That one says it has blank sides and 10 angles. A decagon. Looking at our pattern, I'm going to guess that there's 10 sides because there's 10 angles.
That makes sense.
Should we count them?
Let's double check.
Let's double check. You want to count them this time?
Sure.
All right.
I'm gonna go with this one.
Yeah, that one looks cool.
Okay, ready guys? Count
Let's
with
count.
us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There it is.
10 sides. So we just learned about all of these polygons. Triangle, a quadrilateral, a pentagon, hexagon, octagon, and a decagon. Wow, we've got a lot in store with us.
We do. That's a lot of new vocab.
You guys got it.
Yeah. All right. So we're still on page 710. We're looking at this shape right here, and we're going to circle all of the words that describe that shape. So let's talk about each of them. Let's talk about plane shape first. Is that shape over there a plane shape? Is it flat?
It looks pretty flat to me.
Yes, that's definitely a plane shape. Let's go down below. Does it have any curved paths? Any curves in there?
I don't see any curved paths.
No.
Everything seems pretty straight to me.
So I'm not going to circle that one.
Nope.
Is it an open shape? Do you see any openings?
No, everything connects.
So not an open shape. Let's go below. Does it have line segments?
It does. It has a lot of line segments. 4 to be exact.
So I would say yes, it has line segments. Is it a closed shape? Well, it's
Yeah.
not open, so it must be
Closed.
Is it a hexagon?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Do you remember what that was?
I think if I remember right, a hexagon had 6 sides.
It does. Does that have 6 sides?
Well, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Not a hexagon.
Not a hexagon.
How about a pentagon?
Pentagon. A pentagon is kind of shaped like a house,
Mm-hmm.
but a pentagon has 5 sides.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not a pentagon.
How about a quadrilateral?
Yeah, a quadrilateral had 4 sides. It is a quadrilateral.
It is a quadrilateral. Yes, it is.
Huh.
There we go. So we circled the 4 words that describe that shape.
I'm
Let's keep
feeling
going.
pretty confident
Yeah.
about these polygons.
I know. I'm starting to like them.
Yeah.
All right. So now we got to think back to our rules about what makes up a polygon, because it says, is this shape a polygon? Right? Yes or no? So let's start with number 2. This is on page 711.
Follow along, guys.
So I know a polygon is a closed shape. Wait, I can pause right there.
I don't have to go any further because,
No.
Miss Pelzel, I see 3 openings, meaning it's an open shape.
So
It is not a polygon.
I can write no right away.
Okay.
All right.
Number 3. A polygon is a closed shape.
Yeah.
That's a closed
That's a
shape.
closed shape. Is it a plane shape?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it has only line segments.
Well, I see 1 line segment, 2 line segments, 3 line segments.
We got ourselves a polygon.
So yes, this is a polygon. If we're being technical, it's a triangle.
Nice. Number 4. I really can stop at the first one. Because I see an opening right here. And I know that all polygons have to be closed shapes.
So, nope.
Nope.
Not a polygon. That was easier than I thought.
Yeah, way easier.
All right. Up next, again, we're still on page 711. It says, write the number of sides and the number of angles, then the name of the polygon.
Ooh.
So let's start with number 5. I'm going to count how many sides. I see one side.
2, 3.
There are 3 sides. Now my angles, remember, are my endpoints.
Yep.
So I can see there's 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, 3 angles. That makes it a
Triangle.
So, number 5 is a triangle.
Number 6. My sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 sides.
6 sides. Now, to circle my angles are my endpoints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 angles. 6 sides. 6 angles. It's a hexagon.
You can remember a hexagon for 6 because it has an X like 6 does. That's how I remember it.
I like that.
Thanks.
That's good.
All right. Number 7.
Here we go.
All right.
How many sides?
Let's-
I'll do the sides, you do the angles.
I love it.
Okay. Sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 sides.
5 sides.
All right, let's circle those angles. I see an angle here. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5 angles. If it has 5 sides and 5 angles, that makes it a
Pentagon.
So it is a pentagon. There you go.
How you guys feeling? I hope you're feeling pretty good. You're doing a great job.
Yeah, let's keep it up.
Yeah.
All right. We're still on page 711, but now we're on question number 8. Is the shape a polygon? Write yes or no.
Should we make a deal with them again?
Should we do the even? They do the odd?
Yep.
I like it. All right, so number 8 is an even number, so we'll do number 8. So is it a closed shape?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it a plane shape?
Yeah.
Does it have line segments?
No.
No. Remember, polygons cannot have curves in them. They can only have line segments, so nope. Not a polygon.
Not a polygon. Number 10. Is it a closed shape?
Yeah.
Is it a plane shape?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it have line segments?
I see a lot of line segments.
I do too. So then it's a polygon. We
Yes.
write yes.
We got a polygon. All right. Now we're down to the second part. It says to write the number of sides, the number of angles, and then the name of it.
Ooh.
Again, remember you guys are doing the odds
Odds.
and we're doing the evens. So you guys need to figure out how many sides, how many shapes, and its name for number 11 and 13.
So we're going to do number 12. Maybe we'll ask some help.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So number of sides.
Like those sides.
Hayden, how many sides does this have? Yeah, you're right. It has 5 sides.
So if it has 5 sides, how many angles does this shape have? Nolan? You're right. 5 sides, 5 angles.
Nice work. And all together, what kind of shape is this?
Let's say it on 3. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Pentagon! Yes, nice job. A pentagon.
Pentagon.
Cool. So don't forget, you guys will be doing the homework, which are pages 713 and 714. Now make sure you read all of the directions. It's asking whether some shapes are polygons or not. And then it also goes down to name the polygon. How many sides, how many angles.
Now remember, if you forget what some of their names are, to go back into your book and look at that chart that we filled out together. Because there you'll have the names of what the polygons are.
Alrighty, so you guys are in charge of completing these pages. You guys got it.
All right.
And remember, go Wisconsin!
What? Go Minnesota!
Huh?